Meaning of emir.
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 Emir. Emir is a title used in Arabic and Islamic culture to refer to a commander or ruler of a certain territory or tribe. It has a similar meaning to prince or chief in English. The term originated in the Arab world during the expansion of Islam in the 7th century. Emirs were often appointed by caliphs or rulers to govern specific regions and maintain order. Over time, the term has been used in various contexts and countries, including the United Arab Emirates, where it refers to a monarch or member of the ruling family.